Hello everybody, welcome to my crib. I collect magnets for myself. So ito na yung room ko. Sa Doha, provided yung accommodation namin. So, sobrang daming buildings ng company namin dito, like 100 plus. So, parang medyo ganito yung itsura ng ibang buildings. So, apocalypse kami. Yeah, ganyan sila.
So, gym siya, supposedly, but it's closed.
Thank you. Si Ange behind the camera. So, dalawang gym, tatlong buildings, dalawang gym, dalawang pool. Dalawang pool, pero yun nga, zombie apocalypse.
So, yan siya.
And then, you say hi to my
Hi! Shukriya! Namaste! 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 Sawadika!
So, that's our laundry area.
Ang layo pa naman ng floor natin, di ba?
Sobrang taas. So, we live on the first floor. So, yung laundry, meron yan usually kada building. So, we drop our uniform and then we pick it up the next day. For our personal items naman, 50% discount. So, sobrang mura ng laundry. So, wala kami iniisip for uniform. And, hindi malamang. Bigat pa na.
Workout!
Ano hindi sanay?
So, parang maze yung building namin. Para lang siyang maze.
Hindi ko parang hospital.
First time feeling ko parang maze eh. Like, di ko alam kung saan yung flat natin. Guys, pagpapakidnap niyo si Bea, alam niyo na. Ang tigas ng doorbell. Ang tigas ng doorbell mo.
Hello everybody, welcome to my crib.
Ba't ka nakatap eh?
Lagi ako nakatap in guys kasi lagi din ako, feeling ko hinhangin yung likod ko. So mag-flat tour tayo. Ang tawag nila dito flat, apartment, hindi siya house. So flat tour. So once you enter, sa left side is yung bathroom ko. So yun siya. Bathtub. This. So, meron akong pail kasi
Pinoy ka?
at saka tabo.
Kasi Pinoy ka.
Hindi, kasi pag peak ng summer sa Doha, it goes as high as 60 degrees. Diba? Nasa 60 degrees Celsius.
Something like that,
Yeah,
yeah.
normally it's 45, pero it can go as high as 60. So, yung shower is hot or hotter lang.
True.
Yun siya. And then
Yeah.
tabo, ever since I was young, I pour my shampoo here and then I put water. Feeling ko hindi magkakadandruff pag gano'n.
Yeah.
Sometimes, ano to, Betadine Skin Cleanser. Sometimes, according to my good friend Emil, I used to sometimes wash my face. Yun, pag super dirty. And there was a time, I think mga 2018, na dami nagme-message sa akin kung ano daw
Kung may pimple ka.
Meron talaga guys ngayon eh, ako siya, bakit? Anyway, marami nagme-message sa akin bakit daw ang glowing ng skin ko. Never akong nagpagluta or nagpa-drip or anything like that. So inisip ko talaga bakit ganun. Na-realize ko, maybe because of this, bio oil talaga siya. Hindi to bio oil ngayon, Bath and Body Works to the oil, pero usually bio oil. And then I mix it with whatever lotion I have. Sobrang ganda niya sa skin. Ewan ko kung yun yung nagpapag-glow. Yun. And then, robe ko. So, I always use my robe kasi ayoko na bibihis agad after I shower. Kasi malagkit from. So, after is yung kitchen. So, yeah. Washing machine, oven. I collect magnets for myself. So, gusto ko magkaroon ng magnet board when I go back home to Manila. This one is I came, I saw, I conquered. Yan. And water. Sobrang taas ng sodium content ng water sa Qatar. So, nag-hair fall kami. And it's not really good for your health. So, I use, alkaline ko itong water na.
Yeah, it's alkaline.
So, alkaline water for whenever I need to consume it. And, ng kayamanan namin. Kayamanan ng Tupperware. O, yung kilala ko yung Tupperware namin, no? So, usually, it's either 2 or 3 kayo sa isang flat. Of course, you will have your own room. And then, sometimes you get your own bathroom. Pero minsan, if 3 kayo in a flat,
Yeah.
2 of you will share bathroom.
Yeah.
And then, common kitchen and common dining area, living room. So, nakaganito to kasi dyan ako or dito yung flatmate ko or vice versa. Parang nakiga kami kasi couch potato kami. So, kailangan comfortable. So, yan. Shoes happy na. Nakamotivate din siya minsan. So, ito yung bedroom. So, room A and room B. And this is another bathroom. So, this is my flatmate's room and this is her bathroom. Kasi nauna siya sa flat na to. Nag-move lang ako dito. So, syempre, ang layo ng bathroom ko. And then, this one, we put this outside our door to let each other know that we're home. Para at least we minimize our noise, yung galaw namin. So, wala yan sa kanya. So, wala siya dyan. So, ito na yung room ko. So, when you enter, yung dresser, work suitcase, work trolley, we cannot use any other suitcase or trolley for work. And then yung handbag namin, so yan, tatlong yan is part of my uniform. Dresser, hair stuff, plus makeup stuff, and then pang work. Ito yung dinadala ko sa layover ko. This one, rosary. And this one is a dream catcher. Sabi nila, it's nice to give people the dream catcher when they move into a new house. So, thank you, Ate Kat, for my dream catcher. And then, medyo sentimental ako na tao. Uy, Ange, ang dami mong letter dito. Basta love ko yung tao. I will really keep everything that comes from that person. Class picture. Ito yung name tag ko for 2 months when we were training. This one, envelope that contains like a certificate because I was best for my batch.
Ay, nasa envelope siya?
Oo, nasa
Yeah.
envelope. Parang 300 pesos yata yun.
Oh, okay. Ah, so yung money nandyan?
Oo, GC.
Oh, okay.
Yun.
Right.
And, yeah, my bed. Tapos, luggages. And then, closet. And then, my water here. So, ganito siya. Kasi, ayaw ko ng ano. So,
Stay hydrated.
so, I drink like, I think 3 liters a day. 1.5 to 3 liters a day. In this part of the world, sobrang mahal ng tubig, guys. Mas mahal pa ang water kesa sa soft
Coke,
drinks.
yeah.
Tsaka sa gas ng car. I swear, ang mahal talaga ng tubig dito. And then, this is my bedside. This is from Cla. Thank you so much. Galing daw tong Taiwan to wish me a good relationship.
Which is?
Umaasa na lang kami sa charm. And then, this is the book I'm reading now. What on Earth Am I Here For? Thank you to my BFF, Emma Tiglao, for giving me this for my birthday last year. So I read 1 chapter a night, and then I listen to a worship song, and then I pray. So yun yung bedtime routine ko. Favorite highlighter ko to. I like to highlight my books. So if you borrow a book from me, lahat yung may highlight. AirPods. Sorry, hindi ko alam ba't ito. So, this was Valentine's last year. This naman California. 2019. Wala lang. Cute lang siya. Kaya, siya nandyan. And then, melatonin. Tapos, ito, valuables. And then, yung mini pharmacy ko. My mini pharmacy. Kasi, basta yan. Kasi, sobrang
Health freak.
oo, sobrang health freak ko kasi sobrang sakitin ko na guys. Sobrang bilis ko magkaroon ng kung ano-ano. One is from Qatar Museum. Spray paint art siya. Tapos pinasign ko siya dun sa artist. I like it kasi there's this short story. It's called A Tale of Two Wolves. So whenever I see this, I'm reminded of that story. If you have a chance, please Google it because it's a very, very good short story. So whenever I read that, it reminds me to always choose the good in life. Yeah, the shoes, hat brush. That's it. And we're very lucky kasi our company provides us with accommodation, gives us free electricity, free water. So basically, ang babayaran mo na lang is food, toiletries, and Wi-Fi. So, yeah, and then we're very secure. Like, kanina kita may mga guard, may CCTV. You know, may curfew kami, and then may swipe in, swipe out, if you guys are wondering. I pray that you will make your FA dreams come true. It's not hard to be an OFW and to be away from everyone you know and you're familiar with, but it's worth it. So I hope you achieve your dreams, just keep on trying, and that's it. Be well.